Hey, TriGlide to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2012 Harley-Davidson TriGlide. What 12 would be the 96 cubic inch twin. 6-speed manual transmission, one owner bike. Gentleman bought it brand new. 19,869 original miles on it. Adult owned and driven, well maintained. He's just gotten to the point where it's a little tough for him to get on and off. And it's time to part with it. So here it is. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Unfortunately, the video and the pictures don't quite do the color on this justice. This would be the Ember Red Sun Glow Merlot Pearl. So it has some real nice sparkle out in the sun. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run here in just a bit also. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Let's check out those exact miles. We'll have it right here. There you go, 19,869. Let's go ahead and fire it up. We got it in neutral. This does have Vance and Hines pipes or exhaust on it, high airflow and tune. Also comes with a Harley-Davidson touring suspension air pump with gauge. A lot of luggage space. Fun bike to travel on, no doubt about that. Stadium style seating, stereo system. Sounds good, looks good. All the gauges are working, no warning lights, anything like that. If you're interested, call us 507-386-1726. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and we look forward to hearing from you on this one.